Nice job, Allie. Nothing hurt. Nothing hurt.
3.
2.
You're going home now. You're going home.
Down. Okay. Yes, baby. Yes.
Hey, that's fine. Hey, that's fine.
Way to get that, baby. Please. Nice play. Nice play.
Hey, great game.
Good job, Cora.
Yes, come on, get there. Look home.
Two out.
K.O.D. he hard as shit. Wow, niggas been cramping my style.
All right.
Why did we send her?
Hey, Tara.
Oh, she still got it.
Go
Oh, get her. Get her.
Who else? What did I do?
I caught that.
It's 2 outs. Go, baby. All done. Run, baby. Great bunt.
Nothing.
Let's
Go.
Yeah, Mace.
Like 6 weeks. Don't be body like a
There it is, Allie.
You're going three! You're going three! Careful, Tara. Let's go!
Nice job, Bailey.
Take you from a car to brick, Bentley from him mama with Bentley from him mama with K.O.D. he hard as shit.
Go, go, go.
You're bad enough to me. Bad enough to me.
Fuck yeah! Let's go!
Shake that ass for me. Come on, girl, shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me. Come on, girl, shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me. Come on, girl, shake that.
Nice. Drop. Yes! Get down. Get here.
God, she's fast.
Oh,
Stay.
all right.
Stay. No turn. Nice try, Allie.
Great work, Janelle. Way to get us going. Time. Over. 3.
Get her! Get her!
Get
You're right. Good job.
Good pass, control.
That's a pressure ball right there, Naya.
Come on, Naya. Home. Nice. Stay, Nikki, babe. Great work, babe.
Nice. Hey.
Good job. We're good, ladies. We're good.
There, Mace. Yeah, Mace.
Talk to me.
Nice.
Keep up the quick, Rick.
Flip. Take you from a car to brick, Bentley from his mama with K.O.D. he hard as shit. Wow, niggas been cramping my stuff.